Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js in Firebase. So today we are going to learn how to read data from the Firebase. Okay, so currently you can see that we have the number of users in the Firestore database. You can see that. I think we have a two. So let's read the data from the Cloud Firestore with the help of the Node.js and the Firebase. So let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we're going to do that. Okay, so this part is complete. So first we are going to create a route. Okay, so that reason we have go with the first part for the routes, that is index part. Okay, so here this part is completely done. Now we have to add over here the routes section. So this is get route, and here we have a function read data for the users basically the Firestore collection name, that is users. Okay, and now we have a read data, so I need to call the function read data also. So here we have the read data. I think read single data or read data is there, read data. So here we have the read data here. So let me go and just copy this part, read data, and here we go with this one. Okay, and for this one, this part is for read, this is the get one. So here we have the read which collection, that is users, and render which one, index. So in the views we have to create the index.js file also. Okay, so let me go and just add the index part also. So here we have the index views index.egs. Sorry. Okay, so this is the index.egs which we have to copy and add it over here. So what we have added over here, that is, this is the h1 tag for the CRUD app table, where we have the name, mobile, email and the actions. Okay, so this is the method for the for each part. So data.for each document. Okay, so here we have tr which we are looping out with the name, mobile and the email. So we have the two action buttons for the edit and the delete. Okay, so here we have a confirm, return, are you want to show to delete this item, then close this brackets, and then last we have the add new. Okay, so let's see the this rendering or not. So let's try to run again the application node app.js, and let's go and run this one CRUD application. Okay, so data is listing over here, right? So you can see the test and the test 2. This is the read part, so we are reading the data from the Firebase. Okay, in the next part we are going to do with the add new, so create data with the help of the Node.js and the Firebase and the Firestore. We are going to learn in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.